White's objective here is to make a living shape. It seems like white might have some ice base here on the upper side, but if white plays at 1 and 3, it's not enough. What about number 3 here? Now black has this move on the first line. If white connects, now again this is not enough ice base. If white captures, now black can't Atari here. White must connect. And once again, this is not going to be enough ice base for white. White will be killed this way. So that's why number 1 here actually doesn't work. Alternatively, white can stand down here, extend here. Black will have to capture these 2 stones. And it seems like this way, with number 5, black is threatening this move, which will capture these 2 stones, and white will succeed this way. And if black captures these 2 stones, white can play right here. This is a bent 3, so black must come in, but white can find another VOI this way. But the only problem is that black can actually play here and number 4. And number 5 here will no longer be sente, and white will still be killed this way. So that is why number 2 and 4 can kill white. And that is why white will want to stand down here. And now what happens is that if black captures white this way, white will still get to play here at number 9. And that is why in order to try to kill white, black must play right here. It's a very tough move. This will be 4 liberties versus 3. So the challenge here is for white to find an extra liberty on the corner. If white tries something like this, it's not going to work. Black will still be able to capture white. That's why in this type of problems, every single stone is useful. So this stone on the outside is useful because white has this Atari at number 7, and now this cut at number 9. What happens now is that because black's liberties are pretty tight here on the corner, white will be able to extend its own liberties with number 11 right here. So what happens now is that there's actually no way for black to kill white cleanly. Now if black tries something like this, it seems like these stones will still be killed, but white can stand down here. Black must capture these 5 stones, and white will be able to make a living shape this way. If black tries something like this, then it'll be very similar. Again, white will be able to stand down here and capture these 2 stones. This way, white is still alive. That's why the toughest move for black is probably to stand down here. And what happens now is that white will exhaust black's liberties from this side, and black will play here and here. And what happens now is that white will bend here, and black will throw in here. It's a really crazy move because the stakes are really high. White will capture the ko first. Black does not have a local ko threat. If black finds something on the outside, black will get to capture back. So the stakes are really high here. Does white have a local ko threat? The answer is yes, this is a local ko threat. If black captures, then white can still live this way, because there's another eye here and another eye here, and potentially a third eye if white keeps crawling. So white can succeed this way. This is one local ko threat at 23, and if white wins, white will capture all of black here on corner. So once again, a very, very complicated sequence. Make sure you understand what each move is all about, and please let me know if you have any questions. Good luck, and thank you for watching.